In this video I'm going to show you how to remove archived chats box from the top of your WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you archive some chat, the chat will move in here in archive, and now if it comes some messages in that chat, you will get here notification about count of that messages, and it can be very annoying. So in order to hide that archived box, you need to do the following. You need first to open up your settings, then go into chats, and here toggle off that option, keep chats archived. If I disable that option, I can go back to my chats right there, and now that archived box was disappeared and it's not annoying me anymore. But I can do like this: tap, hold and swipe down to make this block appear, and I can swipe up and swipe down to make this block disappear again. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.